everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you that have been subscribed to me for a while, I know you're thinking, girl, where you been posting this random video? I know y'all, but we're gonna do better in 2022, and I'm gonna broaden my horizons on this channel. But yes, I appreciate each and every one of you for sticking with me for this long, and hello to the future new subscribers. But yes, in today's video, I have compiled together clips of me cleaning my home in preparation of New Year's. Some clips are a little older than others, as you'll be able to see, because we are expecting, my husband and I, and the bump is bumping a little bit more in other clips. But yes, as I stated before, I am sharing this cleaning motivational video for some parts of my home, even though it's technically already past New Year's. It's never too late to clean your home, and I hope this video gives you motivation to follow along today or another day. But yes, let's jump right into it, guys. So as you can see, I'm starting in the living room today, even though I usually start in the kitchen. But if I must be honest with y'all, I decided to start in here today because I'm so tired of all my son's small toys being around, and I almost tripped on one. I'm pretty sure you moms out there can relate. But yes, he's 3 years old and he just loves throwing his toys around. But yes, so right now I'm just showing you my new wireless vacuum cleaner. It's from the Shark brand, and I absolutely love it. This one in particular is the one for, like, if you have pets. I tend to just go for these because they're more powerful, even though and I don't have a pet, by the way, but I just like them because they're more powerful, and they're usually a little bit more expensive, but to me they're worth it. It's not so bad. It's just random stuff. See, we got some Nerf bullets, my son's sock, another one of my son's sock, my Beats headphones case that I've been looking for. Yep, and yeah, as you can see, there's some crumbs or dust or whatever that is. We're gonna get all that cleaned up.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes.
Okay, so right now I'm just taking off this other attachment and adding on this other, like, upholstery type vacuum one. So I'm just using this one to vacuum the entire couch, like the cushions and the back of it and all that good stuff. And I just love, I don't know about y'all, but I just love the way, like, carpets or, like, furniture looks when they have, like, fresh vacuum lines in it. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love that. And especially with, like, this type of couch, it's almost kind of like corduroy. But yes, I just love how that looks.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder.
So we are about 5 minutes in, and I'm still not done with the couch, but I figured I might as well fill you in a little bit about me. So yes, we have been, by we, my husband and I and my son, have been living in this house for a year now, here in Florida. We are a military family, so currently my husband's active duty. I used to be active duty turned reservist, but I am now a veteran, and in the Air Force, by the way, both of us. And my son, His name is Liam. He's 3 years old, and we are expecting another baby boy. Oh my God. 2 boys. Yes, pray for me. But anywho, but yes, so right now I'm pretty much a stay-at-home mom. I am in school. I'm getting my master's in psychology. So just with schooling and taking care of my sons, I've been like super busy, so which explains the sudden change in the trajectory of this channel. So I'm going to be showing more videos, like home-like videos, because ever since we moved here, it's been so much going on, just life and just being a mom. I haven't really had the opportunity to do exactly like what I want around the house. So we'll be doing little transformations here and there, a little decor, that sort of thing. And I'll be sharing that journey with you guys.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So just to chime in really quick, so for those of you that are wondering, in this clip here, with this that I have on, this black shirt and the gray shorts here, I am 6 months pregnant. In the other clips, I believe, where I don't look pregnant at all, I believe I'm like 3 months. No, 3 or 4 months on those. But yes, just for those of you who may be wondering, I am 6 months pregnant and due May 4th, 2022. So yep, another Taurus. Also, you guys, if you're wondering, yes, as you can see, there is no refrigerator. We are, on this day, our refrigerator is getting delivered that evening. So stay tuned for that. I'll be showing you guys our new refrigerator. But yes, do not be alarmed. We have one. We put the old one in the garage. The new one is coming, has came already. So just putting that out there. So here I have some burnt on food debris left on my glass stove cooktop. So I'm going to be using the brand Weeman's. I think that's how you say it. The glass cooktop solution with their like scratchless pad and a little handle on there. And I'm just going in there really good, trying and concentrating over the areas where there is the most burnt on food. And I'll point it out. You'll see me point it out here in a minute. But also, I should have used, I have like the little scraper thing that you can use to scrape off the food. I wish I would have done that this go around, but I was just trying to clean it really, really quickly and recorded it for you guys because I do really like this product. But yeah, to really make sure you get everything off, I suggest using the little scraper as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be from this brand. So now, as you can see, I'm about to clean the food processor on the left side of our sink by adding some baking soda. I would say I've been meaning to do this, add some essential oils to something like that, baking soda, so it can smell better. But I just put lemon juice in there just to kind of freshen it up, and then pour some vinegar down there, and then followed by some boiling hot water. If it wasn't really smelly this time around, but I would say add, just increase the amount that you put in there and maybe cover it with a towel if it's dirtier.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
So for those of you who have kiddos out there, I highly recommend getting like the silicone table mats. They have like different sizes, ones that like cover the entire table, especially if you like have like a high chair, you want to cover it up. But they have been a godsend for as far as cleaning, keeping things clean with my son, because as you know how toddler boys can be. But yes, that's just my little tidbit of a recommendation there.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes eats up my time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow.
Let's open this side. Whoa.
Wow.
Wow, look how big it is. Let's shut this side. Look, Liam. So yes, you guys, this is our new refrigerator. I absolutely love it. Did y'all see that? Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. So it is by LG, the stainless steel refrigerator. All this side is the refrigerator and all the left side is the freezer. It is the one that produces like the little ice balls that are spears or circles, and I think that's so cool. It's such a nice touch, and it makes the kitchen look entirely better, that much better.
Try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So I absolutely love our nightstands in our room. They're glass and they just look so modern looking, and we got them from Amazon, by the way, but I'm thinking about upgrading it to a bigger size because, you know, we have the little one on the way and I'm gonna need all that little space. I might do like some kind of bedside thing for when he gets here. Maybe I'll post about that, but yeah, absolutely love these. So as you can see, this is our laundry room, and yes, it is a hot mess. I am slick embarrassed, but you know, I want to be transparent on this channel and show you guys the real life messes. I am not perfect. I do not have it all together, but all that matters is that I'm cleaning it now and we're going to get everything as tidy as possible. Eventually down the line, I do plan on doing like a little mini transformation in here, even though today just it being clean and organized makes a huge difference, but I just want to do more in this space, and you know, eventually I'll post that, so stay tuned for that. But yes, enjoy this before and after.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get
For
tired?
those of you wondering, I got these white wire baskets from Dollar Tree a couple years back, I believe, and they're coming really, really handy. I just didn't want the products just to be, bundled up in a corner, so I figured I'd use the baskets just to make it a little bit neater until I, really go in and make a transformation later down the line.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby.
Okay, y'all, so leave a comment below if you're good about washing your clothes. It's something about that folding and putting them away that just does something to you. So what I do, you know how back in the day, or even now, some of y'all may comment below if you do this also. You have like a chair just full of clean laundry that needs to be folded or put away or hung up in the closet. Well, I use one of the spare guest rooms, and I'm so ashamed to say this. I would just throw all the clothes on the bed. And, since it's a guest room, I don't really go in there that much anyway. And next thing you know, I got a mountain, quite literally a mountain of clothes to put away. There's been times where it's been worse than this, y'all. But yeah, so comment below.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
I know this part of the video is going really, really fast, but what I'm using to clean the tub is the electric spin scrubber. It's by the brand Fruitine. I'll link it down below for you guys. It is life-changing, you guys, life-changing. I've been having back issues, and it has been such a godsend. So I'll link that down below for you guys.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
So I just love this toilet seat that we got from Home Depot in my son's bathroom. It has a detachable seat for him, so it prevents him from falling in, and I think it's just so cute.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So I know your girl, y'all probably like, dang, how many paper towels you gonna use? So when I'm cleaning the bathroom or just really just like icky areas that I feel like are icky, I always use paper towels because I rather just throw them away, especially when it comes to the bathroom. I do not want to mix that in. I don't know. I mean, everything else is getting washed, but I just, yeah. At least your girl's recycling. So just let me have it with the paper towels, okay? Yes, so finally, this video is coming to a close, and I'm so thankful for every one of you who stuck around to the end of the video. I really, really appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. There will be more to come, and my plan is to, like I said, we're gonna change the trajectory of this channel in 2022 because it's a new year. We got to do better, you guys. So, yes, I hope this gave you motivation to clean your homes. And stay tuned for more. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. Stay blessed.